Can she pull off the perfect landing? Yes! Dynamic execution!
Wow, check out her outfit. I want to be a top designer and make stylish looks. Just check it out, stunning. And I want to be just as amazing at skating and pull off mind-blowing tricks. I have an idea. Let's go after our dreams. Run, quick! LaLiLu will help us.
LaLiLu! You called?
Yes, I urgently need a notebook and pencils.
No problem.
No rhinestones on it? Let me fix that. There, much better. Give me a minute. Okay, here's a skate sketch. And this is a helmet. Ta-da!
Lali, you are so talented. Let's make Lily a helmet from your sketch. For this, we'll need a tennis ball.
Interesting.
Cut out a helmet shape and color it with acrylic marker. Cut wings from sparkly foam. Add a strap.
LaLiLu, look what I found.
Perfect. We use a hole punch to cut out stars and attach them to the helmet.
And rhinestones. Pink ones, my favorite. Cool, but I wanted black ones. No problem, we'll add those too. Lily, try it on. Wow, I am obsessed. That slaps. Yeah, but I don't have a skateboard.
Don't stress, we'll make you one. Take a nail file, trim it, peel off one side, and round the edges. Cover it in purple foam.
LaLiLu, I brought rhinestones.
Frame the board with them and add little stars.
Chef's kiss.
Attach the wheels, and it's ready to ride. Here's your order, Lily.
This is all for me? Slay! Lily, let's go! I'm ready! Let's do this! Need to speed up big time! Wow, hey guys! Wow, what a skateboard! It's incredible, so many rhinestones. And on the helmet too. Where did you get these? Lali made them for me. I want some too. Lali, they want some. Me too. Rhinestones for me. Relax, there's enough for everyone. Thank you. So amazing.
Oh my God!
This is so cool! Lily, you skate so well! Thanks!
Yeah, but I'm even better. Wanna battle?
I'm in!
Okay then, let's go.
Lily, go for it!
Whoa! Nailed it! I'm a cool skater.
I can do that too. I've got this. Lily! Lily! I've got this. Oops! Oh, didn't work out.
Still got some learning to do.
What kind of skater am I? Lily, don't be upset. We'll figure something out. LaLiLu, can you help?
Let me think. Oh, I know. A little studying never hurt.
I'm going to skateboard school. And I'm going to design school. LaLiLu, we're coming over. We need school uniforms. I've already made sketches. I love them. LaLiLu, will you make them?
Pick your fabric, Lali.
No, not that one either. Oh, this is perfect. Mine first, then yours. Works for me.
Hand me the fabric, Lali. Split the pattern. There. Transfer it and cut out the pieces. Sew all the elements. Add fringe. Trim it a little. And join the trouser legs. Perfect. Now for the top.
I can't wait to put on my uniform.
There, jacket's done. Try it on, Lali.
Just a moment. Ta-da! Only missing rhinestones, though.
Adding them now. We decorate the outfit and glue on a pocket.
So much better.
And here are your shoes.
With this pendant, it'll look amazing.
Clip it to the belt, and there's the complete look.
Lali, what about my uniform? On it, pick your fabric. Definitely not pink, but this is totally my style. I'll sew it real quick. Try it on. Oh wow, I love it. Lali, my uniform is so good. A few more details and it'll be perfect. I want to be the most popular girl in school. You'll do it. Our bus is here, let's go. Hold on, I need my phone. Shoo. Lali, hurry or we'll be late. We're here. Wow, so many people. Cheerleaders go. Wow. I'm just finishing the last chapter.
Oh, can I borrow it after?
Lali, look, the skaters.
Great session today.
Yeah, let's do it again sometime. I'm going to join them. But then who do I hang out with? Psst, don't worry. There's a designer competition coming up. You could become the most popular girl in school. Of course. Let me go prepare. LaLiLu, is there any fabric?
Of course, here you go.
Okay, this goes here. Taking measurements. Now I need to sew. Just a little more. Ta-da! I wonder how Lily's doing. Time to show what I can do. to change. But I only have the show dress. Oh, I've got it. You'll be my model. Fix this here and here, but it's pink. Please, please, please. Fine, let's just go. Yay, let's. Oh, wait, these sneakers don't work with it. LaLiLu, I need your help right now. On it. Take regular shoes. LaLiLu, here.
Thank you.
Wrap them in pink fabric. Add rhinestones and make a sole from sparkly foam sheet. Here it is. Final touches and voila! Wow, they're so stunning. Now we can go. I'll give it a shot. Oh, whoa! I gotcha. Let me show you. Look, you're already getting it. Girls, you're running late. Lily, hurry!
The best designer outfit competition is now open. And here come our models.
You just made it.
Today's judge is the fashion house owner herself.
Thank you, thank you. Well then, let's begin. Presenting model number 1, model number 2, and model number 3. Bravo, girls! I see. Oh, not bad, not bad.
Time to announce the results. And the winner is...
I've decided. It's dress number 3.
Yay! Lily, I'm so happy! Congratulations, Lali!
the trophy for best designer.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it!
You're very lucky to work for me. Don't you dare be late.
LaLiLu, I'm gonna be late!
We'll sort it out, don't worry.
I'll go grab my materials.
Take pink foam sheet and make the bag base. Reinforce the bottom and add blue fabric panels. Attach a strap and stick a heart on top.
Wow, it's gorgeous! Don't forget the rhinestones.
Yes, of course. Frame the heart with gems and spell out Lali's name. Now watch this trick. Ta-da! Handles and a clasp are on. Now we add a charm and some accessories.
It's a sleigh. Let's pack my materials inside.
Sure, in go the pencils. Rhinestones are a must. Threads, scissors, and elastic. Now it's a complete kit.
Oh wow, it's incredible! Okay, I'm running. I'm here, ready to start.
Finally, make me 10 dresses by lunchtime.
Wow. Oh well, I'll become famous. After all, I'm the best designer ever. Cut out, stitch. One is ready, and another, and another. Phew, I'm so exhausted. But it's all done. Time to rest. That's amazing! Soon everyone will see your dresses. Look, the show is starting.
Today we have the fashion house owner in our studio. Tell us, who made these incredible dresses?
Every dress in this collection was made by me. Where do you find your inspiration? I'm simply very talented.
How is that possible? But those dresses are my dresses. Don't worry, Lali. You'll still become famous.
Yes, everything will work out.
Oh, wait! My skating competition is coming up, and my costume shrank in the wash. What do I do? I know. I'm a designer. I'll make you one. LaLiLu, help!
I'm here, Lali.
Lily needs a costume. Can you help?
Okay, trace the top pattern on foam sheet and cut out the piece. Wrap the top in fabric and make a pleated skirt. Let's try it on. Wow, it looks fire.
Let's make the skirt fuller.
And add black tulle underneath.
And this too.
Decorate the outfit with leather details, mesh, chains, and rhinestones.
It looks so cool, but something's still missing, LaLiLu.
And what's that?
More rhinestones.
You're right. They really do make it so much better.
Amazing!
And she'll wear these boots.
This rock outfit is pure fire. Literally rebel aesthetic.
Lily, do you love it? Obviously. Then let's go. But what if I don't do well enough? You'll nail it, Lily. I believe in you. All right, I'm off. Woohoo! Need to get a good push, building up speed, flying sky high, and yes! Lily, go, go, go! One more push. I did it!
And the winner is Lily!
Yes, I knew it! Woohoo!
Tell us, where did you get that stunning outfit?
Lali made it. She's the best designer in the world. That's me. Bravo! Woo!
Oh my.
Lali, I've got an amazing offer for you. Want to be Huntrix's designer?
Oh my gosh, yes, of course!
Hey, Lali, we need costumes for our performance. Can you help us?
Hey, sure!
The concert is starting soon.
I'll do everything in time. Well, girls, what do you think?
Thank you, Lali. The costumes are lit.
That slaps! I'm obsessed!
The costumes are slaying. We'll see you at the concert. Don't miss out.
Lali, what's wrong? What if the audience doesn't like the designs?
Stop worrying. Let's make some light sticks in the meantime. We need some sparkly foam sheet. Trace the Huntrix logo. Cut out 2 pieces and glue them together. Add a frame and place a heart inside. Decorate everything with bright rhinestones. Attach a handle and add gems. Our light sticks are done. Here you go, girls. Oops, wrong way around.
Oh wow, that slaps! We're going to a concert! I love Huntrix!
Woo! Bravo! And this is our new designer, Lali.
Let's go, quick! Thank you, thank you.
Lali made it big as a designer. She's topping the covers of every major magazine right now.